In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through AliExpress to request a refund for an order. Whether you've received a damaged product, something different from what you expected, or perhaps the package hasn't arrived at all, following these steps can help ensure you're not left out of pocket. Before we begin, make sure you're logged into your AliExpress account to make the process smooth and efficient. To start, open your preferred web browser and head over to the AliExpress website. Once you've arrived on the homepage, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your account, if you haven't already. You can do this by clicking on the Sign In button, typically located at the top right corner of your screen. Enter your login credentials, and you'll be redirected to the homepage again, but this time with access to your personal features and settings. The next step involves navigating to your profile. You'll find this by clicking on your username that should now be at the top of the screen. A menu will appear, and you'll need to look for the option labeled My Orders. Clicking this will direct you to a comprehensive list of all the orders you've made through AliExpress. It's here where the magic happens. Now take a moment to scroll through your list of orders to find the specific purchase you're concerned about. Once you've located it, click on it to open the Order Details page. You should see a button labeled Return Refund or something similar. This is your gateway to initiating the resolution process. Clicking on the Return Refund button will prompt a series of questions designed to gather information on why you're requesting a refund. It's crucial to provide all necessary details as clearly and accurately as possible. If your package is damaged, for instance, be prepared to upload pictures that back up your claim. The more evidence you provide, the better your chances of a successful return and refund request. Once you've submitted all the required information, your request will be sent to the seller for review. It's worth keeping in mind that this isn't always an instant process, and patience might be required. Sellers typically have up to several days to review and respond to your claim. You'll likely receive updates on your claim status, and if needed, there may be further instructions provided to you. And there you have it. The entire process is as simple as that. By following these steps, you're now well equipped to handle return and refund requests on AliExpress with confidence. It's always important to keep track of the time frame permitted for returns and refunds, as policies can vary depending on the seller. Additionally, remember to keep an eye on your email or notifications for any updates regarding your request. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for managing your online shopping experiences on AliExpress.